Are you looking to take your hair from this to this? I have the perfect summer treatment for your hair. It is the Nutree hair mask, and it is their Bottox multi-control mask. It is anti-frizz and hydration. This is a $55 keratin treatment that you can do at home. Do you know what the cost of this would be at a salon? It's about $300. Crazy. Plus you get to do it in your own home, be comfy, be cozy. Let me show you how this works.
Meet the hair Botox expert. It smooths hair while adding softness and gloss. Make sure to start with clean, dry hair, and make sure to section your hair. This is important because it makes sure that you get the product all through your hair, especially if you have a lot. The scent of this is quite light. Leave this in your hair for 30 to 40 minutes. Blow dry your hair with a round brush and make sure your hair is 100% dry before you move on to the next step. Section your hair into parts and make sure to use very, very tiny pieces, and pass the flat iron through 10 to 15 times. And the heat should be between 380 and 450 degrees depending on your hair damage.
Okay, so that entire process took me about 2 hours, which isn't too bad considering that if you were at a salon, it would take you a heck of a lot longer than 2 hours. Plus, the cost is, you can't beat it. This is $55 to do at home, whereas at a hair salon, you'd be spending about $300. Honestly, I'm in awe at the price. My hair is so soft, and it feels really, really smooth, and it just feels so hydrated. Major difference from how it was before. I would highly suggest this. Make sure to use this code right here to get 10% off. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.